Greetings and welcome back. Welcome back to my channel for another quick video. This video is entitled, as you can see, Shocking Revelations. Shocking Revelations. Again, we'll be covering this in my part 2 of the Sean Grayson trial, but I just wanted to give you a preview that many people may not have heard as of yet. Sonya Massey, as you can see pictured right here, beautiful Sonya Massey, whose life was cut short by Sean Grayson, former Sangamon County Sheriff's Deputy Sean Grayson, could have survived that fatal wound she sustained by Sean Grayson if she had received medical attention. During the trial, Sean Grayson, I'm just going to put up a few of the comments his former superiors have made about him. During the trial, a forensic pathologist testified that Massey did not pass away instantly from a brain injury. Okay, please understand. This is according to testimony. It wasn't a brain injury, but instead, this may be hard for some of you to hear, so viewer and listening discretion is advised. She instead bled out after the discharge from the weapon of Sean Grayson severed her carotid artery. Further, the expert went on to testify that her chances of survival would have been improved if someone on the scene had controlled the bleeding quickly. And this monster right here said he wasn't going to waste his medical bag because it was a shot above her shoulders, because the way he said it was just too brutal and uncaring. The testimony aligns with the bodycam footage and prior testimony of his former partner, Dawson Farley. Farley had moved to get a medical bag, but was stopped. Okay, it was stopped by this again, uncompassionate and, in my opinion, evil individual, Sean Grayson, who said, allegedly, no, it was a particular shot, dude, really? That's how you talk? She's done. But you're the same person who was afraid for your life. So again, ladies and gentlemen, Dawson Farley even testified that Sonya Massey was still breathing after what was unfortunately a fatal injury. But Sean Grayson, who you see on the screen, and I want everybody to remember this, Grayson allegedly, I have to say that to be prudent and responsible, told him that aid was not necessary. First of all, you dirty animal, you. It's not, to my knowledge, that you had any medical training whatsoever, and the training that you received as a police officer, you still didn't get it. You still weren't good enough. So again, with this justice system, he could possibly walk, but I just want everyone to know that beautiful Sonya Massey, regardless of the fact that she had mental health issues, and I'm glad that something is being done nationwide about this problem and how law enforcement deals with individuals with mental health issues when they respond. Sonya Massey could have survived if medical attention had been rendered quickly after Sean Grayson decided to discharge his weapon 3 times. One, unfortunately, is the one in which she suffered what was subsequently a fatal injury. But again, according to testimony, had aid been rendered, Sonya Massey could have survived. So again, that's just another illustration of how dark and evil, again, these are my opinions, Sean Grayson is. Continue to rest in paradise, Sonya Massey. I do believe one way or another, as I mentioned, the Creator renders final judgment, but I believe, beyond a shadow of a doubt, justice will be served in your case. It may not be the justice some people may be looking for, but again, justice is universal, and it doesn't always happen inside or outside of a courtroom. So again, shocking revelation. Sonya Massey, according to an expert who testified, a forensic pathologist, stated that Sonya Massey could have survived